I'm Ross. Welcome back to the channel. I just want to say I apologize for any disrespect to the country of Bahamas and the private island owned by Norwegian, the Great Stirrup Cay. We had a blast on our cruise. I did not see any postings regarding no drone flying. Once I was told there was no drone flying and that it was a prohibited activity, I did stop and respected the laws and the rules out there. But once again, I'm sorry for any disrespect, but we had a fabulous vacation, great trip. Great Stirrup Cay was awesome. Norwegian was on point, and yeah, I just wanted to say that. That being said, had a lot of fun. Enjoy the video. Hope you find it informative. Like, subscribe, smash the bell.
Yeah. Let's go. We just gotta go hard.
Great Stirrup Cay is the private island owned by Norwegian Cruise Line. So exclusive, no problem. You won't have to worry about anyone else other than all of your guests on the same boat. And I do know that sometimes there can be another boat that joins here, but we're here all by ourselves. We got the whole island with all the amenities and all the food. Now you do have to get tendered in, so that's the only thing. It's not that deep over in there. So, oops, it's not that deep over in there. So you got to get tendered in. That's all right. We pulled in. It's day 4. We pulled into Great Stirrup Cay. We're about to head over to the private island, just off the coast of Bahamas. Oh my God, the sun's finally trying to get through the clouds. As you can see, I'm wearing Feilbach all day again. But it's supposed to go to a high of 24, so it's still really good. It breathes really nice. I wear size large. Everything you see, Feilbach, size large. No problem. Beautiful Great Stirrup Cay. Woo, is it nice. It's not only a chessboard, it's also a launch pad. You darn right it is. Drone flying is prohibited, sir. I just got in trouble. No drone flying at Great Stirrup Cay.
You're not above the law, Ross.
We're not above the law here. But guess what? It's better to seek forgiveness than ask permission. I got all the footage. And you know what? It's no big deal.
There he is.
You know what people say about drone footage? No one cares. Great Stirrup Cay, awesome. Lots of amenities here, lots of washrooms, that's important too. But tacos, and we also have our own buffet here from Norwegian that they run on the island, which is fantastic. So you have all kinds of food options. You can rent whatever you want for water sports, pretty sweet. However, you gotta pay a little price for that, no big deal. And you can swim with the pigs. Amy and Mateo are going to swim with the pigs right now. Sun's gone in the clouds, so it's warm, but not scorching hot. It's comfortable. No need for the Feilbach track pants, the weekend joggers, or the long sleeve sweatshirt at this point, but you never know, storm could blow in. All right, I gotta go get ready for dinner, see what we're gonna have for tonight. Food has been dynamite on the ship. Norwegian Jade. They haven't let us down. And the lava cake, whoa. Great dessert. Great Stirrup Cay. It was a pleasure. See you next time. That is a nice shot. I like that. Look at that. Royal Caribbean in the background.